Yes, hi, hello everybody. Today is May 7th. This is again deals with the same problem that I've had two times already before. The car would not stop, it cranks but would not stop. So I've taken it to the DCH Audi, and they've taken a look at it. They've replaced a couple of parts. They've been in touch with the factory. And so today, May 7th, almost 2 months since this problem showed up second time. This is the third time actually. And let me, so I have 6,118 miles on it. Last time the same problem showed up at around 4676 miles. Like I said, about two months ago, 2 months and a couple of days. So I'm pressing the start stop button, and this is what's happening. So, and you can hear it, the car cranks. Oh, it doesn't even crank anymore. No, it does. Yeah, so it cranks, as you can see. Oh, and it died, which is what it's been doing. So here's that same problem. Don't know what's happening with the car, but I have to, I guess, see if I can get DCH Audi to look at it again, and I'm gonna see if I can get a flatbed, to take the car over back to the dealer. So 2 months, about 1,500 miles. After it's been driven, I got the same problem. So there is some type of fundamental problem with the car, and I'm gonna put that video back onto the YouTube. All right.